In today's video, we are going to see how does the Voyager 1 spacecraft still send us information. On September 5th, 1977, the Titan 3E rocket carrying the Voyager 1 spacecraft took off from Cape Canaveral in Florida. The Voyager 1 is the farthest object from the Earth at about 18.8 billion kilometers away. The Voyager 1 has taken many stunning images from its camera of various planets, the most famous one being the photo of the Earth referred to as the pale blue dot. On March 5th, 1979, almost 2 years after its launch, the spacecraft reached its first main destination, that was Jupiter. This famous time-lapse of Jupiter was also taken by Voyager 1, which shows us the giant red spot of the gas giant. On November 12, 1980, it flew past Saturn, and on August 25, 2012, the Voyager 1 became the only man-made object to officially and successfully leave the heliosphere and entered into interstellar space. I just told you that the Voyager 1 became the only man-made object to leave the heliosphere. But what is the heliosphere? The heliosphere is the vast bubble-like region of space which is surrounded and is created by the Sun. The heliosphere consists of solar wind. The solar wind extends far beyond the region of Pluto until it encounters a termination shock where its motion slows abruptly due to an outside pressure of interstellar medium. Imagine the heliosphere as the circular area around the wash basin. But the most important and interesting thing is that the spacecraft keep sending us information till date, even after 41 years. A 20 kilowatt signal is transmitted from the Earth to the spacecraft using radio waves and signals. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves that are used for long distance communication. It takes about 90 to 20 hours for the spacecraft to receive signal where it is detected by the sensitive antennas of the spacecraft. Voyager 1 sends a signal at 20 watts, but since it travels through 18 billion kilometers of space, it reduces to a very small number which is barely detectable. But thanks to the deep space network and the large antennas, we are still able to detect them. The deep space network consists of many large antennas ranging from 70 meters to 30 meters at equal distances across the planet. One is in the US, the other one is in Spain, and the last one is in Australia. In order to communicate with the Voyager 1, it doesn't matter how strong or how weak the signal is until the Voyager's antenna is sensitive enough to pick the signal up. Scientists predict that the spacecraft can only send us data until 2025. But until then, the Voyager will keep sending us valuable data which will help us explore the unexplored mysteries and boundaries of space. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also comment your valuable thoughts and suggestions. I'll see you in the next video.